The digital age has made building a million-dollar online business more achievable than ever. Whether you're launching a product, offering services, or creating content, opportunities are endless. Follow these expert tips to set up, grow, and scale your business to success. 1. Start with a winning idea. Every successful business starts with solving a problem or addressing a need. Research your niche and target audience to identify gaps in the market. What value can I offer? How can I differentiate my brand from competitors? Your idea doesn't need to be revolutionary, but it must resonate with your audience. 2. Create a strong online presence. In the digital world, your website and social media platforms are your storefronts. A professional website, fast, mobile-friendly, and optimized for SEO. Social media platforms. Choose platforms where your audience is most active. Content marketing. Blog posts, videos, and infographics that establish you as an authority in your niche. 3. Focus on your audience. Understanding and serving your audience is key to success. Use tools like surveys, analytics, and feedback to identify their needs and preferences. Build relationships by engaging on social media, offering exceptional customer service, creating a community around your brand. 4. Develop a scalable revenue model. Choose a business model that grows with demand. Some options include e-commerce, sell physical or digital products, memberships, subscriptions, offer exclusive content or services for recurring fees, affiliate marketing, earn commissions by promoting products from other companies, online courses, share your expertise with paid tutorials or workshops. 5. Leverage automation and tools. Streamline your operations with automation tools for marketing, customer service, and inventory management. Email marketing platforms. Automate campaigns to nurture leads. Chatbots. Provide 24/7 customer support. Analytics tools. Monitor traffic, sales, and audience behavior to make data-driven decisions. 6. Master digital marketing. Digital marketing is the backbone of any online business. Key strategies include search engine optimization, SEO, drive organic traffic to your site. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, target specific audiences with ads. Social media campaigns, use influencers and ads to increase visibility. Email marketing, nurture relationships and upsell to existing customers. 7. Prioritize customer retention. Acquiring new customers is costly, so focus on retaining the ones you have. Offer loyalty programs, personalized recommendations, and ongoing support to keep them coming back. 8. Scale through outsourcing. As your business grows, delegate tasks like customer service, content creation, or IT support. This allows you to focus on high-impact activities like strategy and growth. 9. Monitor financial metrics. Track your revenue, profit margins, and expenses carefully. Invest back into the business to fuel growth, but avoid overextending your resources. 10. Stay adaptable. The digital landscape evolves rapidly. Embracing new technologies. Continuously learning from industry trends. Listening to customer feedback to improve your offerings. Building a million-dollar online business requires focus, adaptability, and a deep understanding of your market. With the right strategies, tools, and mindset, you can transform your vision into a thriving enterprise. Start today, take consistent action, and watch your dream business come to life.